shimmer, soft and wide, a distant hum as I glide. Aliens, UFOs, drones in the mist. In this vast universe, I quietly exist. I'm in my zone, a calm in the storm. In this sacred space I transform. Peaceful, dedicated, a rhythm divine. Connected to all, I'm aligned with time.
A code, a line, a script in the air, compiling a soul with subtle care. Compiled and ran in mind, compiled and ran for real. This is so dope. In the silence, the answers unfold like young shadow truths untold. Each thought a mirror, a dream within. We are the dreamers. But in the stillness, there's a spark, the divine within, lighting the dark. C++, the universe in flow. Like Watt said, you came out of it like a wave from the ocean. Python, Java, deep in the assembly of the mind. In every line, the cosmos intertwined. I'm plugged into the rhythm, from thought to the ground. In every fragment, the world spins around. Wandering through servers, through N and F, I move with the current of the modes, the ebb of the breath. This place of solitude, of peace so grand, where we connect with life, take a stand. A touch of heaven, beyond what we know. KC whispers, all you may know of heaven or hell is within your own self. Across the map, I soar with Grapple. With each step, a lesson to explore. A subtle madness, a quiet grace. Beyond the self, beyond the race. In defrag, I shed the weight at light speed. A touch beyond reality. Awaken to love, a shift in fate. I'm in my zone, the world fades like an alien. Seeing the light cascade, living above yet rooted below. In the moment the inner knowing starts to grow. Confucius said, everything has beauty but not everyone sees it. Wheresoever you go, go with all your heart. Yet each step, a truth that rises from the heart to a joyful smile. Words of masters like whispers on the wind. Young's archetypes, what's Zen within. Casey's visions, Confucius' peace. In stillness, the burdens cease. Railing through life, I find the key to embrace the flow, to just be. I come in, I move through the stream. In this quiet state, I find my dream. Win or lose, it's all the same. The spirit's touch, beyond the game. Floating above, the point where time's a friend. This is the place where I transcend. Through the stream, in this quiet state, I find my dream. Win or lose, it's all the same. The spirit's touch beyond the game. Floating above, the point where time's a friend. This is the place where I transcend.